What's up, Nicole babes? It's your girl Nicole and your favorite skincare business girly. If you are new here, please make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time your girl uploads new content. Guys, I am turning over a new leaf when it comes to my channel because I feel like I have niche down and I figured out what my audience and my viewers like. Vlogmas is getting ready to come up. However, I am going to be putting a little twist on my videos and just bringing forward skincare business tips, esthetician tips, beauty industry tips, just all of the tips and gems that you could possibly think of will be right here on my channel. So without further ado, let's just hop on to this video. So today you guys are going to be watching me make a turmeric facial wash, all natural. I'm going to be sharing with you all the ingredients that I will be using for this soap, as well as the benefits of each ingredient, where I get my bottles and things of that nature. I want to share the first gem on my channel that I have received, so I want to just pass down this product to each of you. If you are considering starting a skincare business, or you have a skincare business and you aren't really sure on how to research your products for your skincare brand, then this product would definitely be for you. It is available on Amazon, and I will place the links down in my description box. This book will be very helpful for you all. It's very helpful for me. I did receive this book in my kit from esthetician school, so when I first seen it, I was super excited about using it. It is the Milady Skincare and Cosmetic Ingredients Dictionary. Listen, there are over 2,350 product and ingredient terms and definitions. Not only is it providing you with different ingredients, but it's also giving you the definition of each ingredient, as well as the benefits that it can have for you at your skincare brand. 339 pages. This book, it discusses the different skin types. It also discusses skin conditions. So it's helping you understand each skin type and each condition so that you are able to properly formulate each skincare product and actually see results within your customers. Okay guys, so first thing first, you want to make sure that you are pinning your hair up so no hair will get into your products, and you are preparing this product as safe as possible, not only for yourself but for your customers as well, because you just want to make sure that you are practicing cleanliness, sanitation, and all of that. So speaking of sanitation, and make sure that you are handling the products with care, you want to make sure that you have a pair of gloves on deck in order to properly prepare your skincare facial wash, or just skincare products in general. So we're going to go ahead by introducing the products that I'm going to be using inside of this video, just so you guys can know what you need to use, or if you already have these ingredients at home, that's great. Just go ahead and put them to the side on your tabletop and let's get started. So personally, for my facial washes and my soap base, I use Castile soap base. I absolutely love it because it's not too harsh on the skin. I also add water to this ingredient because it helps it suds, so that your customers, or my customers, can get a deeper penetration when they are using this product. So this is the most important ingredient when making a turmeric facial wash. Next up, we're gonna do the oils, and never mind these bottles because they have been used already, so it might be a little messy, but anyways, that's not why we're here. But we're gonna be using almond oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil. You know the girls love jojoba oil. We're also gonna be using niacinamide, which is also vitamin B3. Of course, you need your turmeric powder, your aloe vera gel or juice. For the aloe vera gel, you can also purchase the plant and scrub it out and do it that way. Me personally, I ordered this container off of Amazon and it works perfectly for me. You just have to make sure that you are combining the ingredients perfectly so you don't have like any clumps. You're gonna need a measuring cup, so make sure that you have a measuring cup on deck, as well as like little small metal bowls, because this will help you distribute evenly of your products. Metal bowls like this help me keep my products safe and evenly distributed until I'm ready to use it or mix it all together in my product. Now I'm ready to begin this process and show you guys how to make the turmeric facial wash. I am grabbing my Castile soap, and I'm going to be using a 4-ounce bottle, so I'm going to measure it out as so. I'm just going to pour that Castile soap inside of this measuring cup, not filling it up exactly to the 4-ounce mark because I still have to put water inside of the measuring cup. As you can see, this is my water. I didn't measure the water because I just kind of eyeball it, but you want to make sure that you don't put too much because too much water will cause the soap not to sud. I'm going to go ahead and use the niacinamide as well as measure out the oils that I'm going to be using in this product. I take each product and just evenly pour it into the mixture, the soap and water mixture. And after each pour, I'm going to make sure that I am mixing each product in very, very well because you want to make sure that everything is mixed perfectly before you move to the next step. So now I'm just basically showing you guys where my mark is, and it's a little bit above the 4-ounce mark, but I'm going to continue to go ahead and add those oils because I'm going to get the water, the soap base, and the oils to mix together. As you can see, I pulled out my scale to measure exactly how much oil I was putting inside of this product because you don't want the oil to overpower your wash. So now it's time for me to add the aloe vera gel once I have combined all of the other ingredients. This ingredient is so soothing and so calming to the skin. I love it. Now I'm going to go in with the turmeric powder. I didn't measure this out because I kind of just eyeballed it. Like I said, you have to do it to your liking and how strong you want this product. And personally, I like for my clients to see results in days, so sometimes I go a little overboard with the turmeric, but it's just because they have, or it has, so many great benefits for the skin, especially for those who suffer from hyperpigmentation. So this is how my bottle look for my serums and my facial washes for my skincare business. I got this bottle from Cosmetic Packaging online, which is like a luxury packaging brand. And I absolutely love it because these bottles are not as expensive, and the more you buy, the less you have to pay. You can tell that this is a bottle with a pump. However, once I remove that top, it just comes straight off because now I'm going to go ahead and just add the product. You're also going to need a funnel because you don't want to make a mess, which I did anyways. I normally use my filler machine when I'm making large batches of skincare products, but for this video, and I'm only just making one, so I decided just to use the funnel instead. As you can see, I'm just filling up the bottle, and you can see that the suds are filling up first before the liquid. And I'm just going to clean up this bottle before I put on the top and test out to make sure that this product suds. You also want to make sure, or always want to make sure, that your product actually works before sending it out to your customers because you don't want them to get it and then it's not working properly. Last but not least, I'm going to add in my dried rosemary leaves. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to also put on the screen how rosemary leaves can help your skincare products. So now that you have basically saw me make my turmeric facial wash, which is one of my best sellers on my website, I'm going to explain to you how I come up with the cost of my product and how I just factor in all of the different ingredients, their cost per container, and how I successfully sell and push the product. So the 3 oils that you see in the video, which are rosehip, jojoba oil, and almond oil, I'm gonna place the price lists here so that you can see how much these oils cost per bottle, as well as giving you guys the breakdown of how much the other ingredients cost, which are not much, but I still want you to make sure that you are selling your products for the right amount. Personally, I sell 1 bottle of turmeric facial wash for $16. This includes and covers my packaging, ingredients, and I feel like it's a reasonable amount for the time that I take out of my day to fulfill each product freshly made and get it to my customers safely, because one wash plus shipping, which is $8.50, is the total amount or an estimate that you can get based off of what I provided you with these numbers. So you want to make sure that you are charging, I won't say charging your worth, but charging what the product is worth, because you have to make sure that you are getting your potential customers reviews from your current customers. I will just show you guys some reviews that I have so far off this wash, as well as the before and after pictures when they use the wash, just so you all can see and just know that my product actually works. And if you follow this step-by-step guide of this video, you too can also be making profitable wages off of one single product. So babes, I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. I will be bringing forth more videos like this. So if you are interested in starting a skincare business, or you have a current brand, or you just want to whip up things in your kitchen at home for yourself and your family, make sure that you tune in. Drop a comment in the comment section on what you would like to see next, or what you would like to see me make next, and I can make that happen for you guys. But before you go, if you have not subscribed yet and you stayed this long to this point in the video, please make sure that you subscribe, and you will see me later this week. Bye.